Pandas percentage of total with groupby. This is obviously simple, but as a noob I'm getting stuck. I have a CSV file that contains 3 columns, the state, the office ID, and the sales for that office. I want to calculate the percentage of sales per office in a given state. Total of all percentages in each state is 100%. This returns I can't seem to figure out how to reach up to the state level of the groupby to total up the sales for the entire state to calculate the fraction.
Update 2022-03. This answer by Kainer using transform looks much better than my original answer. Thanks to this comment by Paul Rougiu for surfacing it. Original answer, 2014. Paul H's answer is right that you will have to make a second groupby object, but you can calculate the percentage in a simpler way. Just groupby the state underscore office and divide the sales column by its sum. Copying the beginning of Paul H's answer. Returns.
This solution is inspired from this article, this URL. I find the following solution to be the simplest and probably the fastest, using transformation. Transformation. While aggregation must return a reduced version of the data, transformation can return some transformed version of the full data to recombine. For such a transformation, the output is the same shape as the input. So using transformation, the solution is one-liner. And if you print
you need to make a second groupby object that groups by the states, and then use the div method. The level equals state coord and div tells pandas to broadcast / join the data frames based on the values in the state level of the index.
For conciseness, I'd use the Sarah's groupby. For multiple groups you have to use transform, using radicals df. This seems to be slightly more performant than the other answers, just less than twice the speed of radicals answer, for me 0.08s.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.